Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove background from a video and like how you can add overlays as well. So to remove background, it is pretty simple. Actually, you're going to get your video and you're going to add it to your timeline, and then you're going to just select cutout and you're going to select auto cutout to remove the background on that. But if it's like a green screen, you're going to want to select the chroma key button, select the color picker, select the green background and adjust it like so, and you can add in shadows as well to remove the background. And then to add in like overlays, for instance, I want this to be like on the overlay. Go to basic, put it on top of the video and select blend mode and choose the overlay blend mode, and it should look something like this. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!